here is part 2 of the video, and this is pretty much the car starting up and looking at all the electronics. One crank, it's always good. Let me roll the windows down. Both windows work. Alright, here's the cluster. I'm not sure if you can see it in the daytime or not, but it's pretty much the cluster right there. Radio, AFC functioning. And as you can see, the AC. Usually all of the screens are bleeding, but this one's good. I forgot I didn't look at the actual under the hood, so let's take a look at that. Here's everything. Infamous 1JZ swap, real clean. Side piping, and you can see here the 20 cooler. But as you can see, motor is quiet. Stock hydraulic fan. That's about it. Daily driver, sleeper. Now, let's go for a drive. Put on some music here.
Love when you keep calling.
Shit good. Take this corner right quick. Overall, car drives really good. It's too dark to see the cluster, but doing about 50 right now. About 65.
Anything you want, it is your purchase. The diamond chain, it big up on your neck. Me want you pop champagne in a project.
HCAT super sequential blow valve.
Don't care if you just know me. From me looking at you, I me see you lonely. You face every alone.
about it. Let me take it back to the house.